News updates. Presidential Election Petition Tribunal finally begins hearing of cases against Tinubu on Monday. Welcome to the news. Thank you for tuning in to today's news. But please subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell for more updates. To the news details, please listen carefully to the end. The Presidential Election Petition Court has fixed Monday for the hearing of the petitions challenging the declaration of the All Progressives Congress standard bearer, Bola Tinubu, as the president-elect. With this development, the expected legal battle by candidates disputing the outcome of the 2023 presidential poll will commence from May 8th. The National Legal Advisor of the All Progressives Congress, Ahmad El-Massouk, confirmed the dates on Tuesday. He said the APC legal team had been briefed and was ready to defend the party's mandates. We have been briefed about the hearing coming up next week. But who told you the election petitions at the tribunal must necessarily be concluded before May 29? Are you saying if they were not concluded before President Buhari leaves office, the government should be left in a vacuum and the president-elect should not be sworn in? It is not a must, is stated in response to a question about the time it would take for the petitions to be decided. Also, a top official of the Election Petitions Tribunal affirmed that the hearing proceedings will start on Monday. Hearings for Monday. Speaking on condition of anonymity because it was not authorized to release the information, he said, the Presidential Election Tribunal has fixed Monday, May 8th, as for the hearing of the petitions challenging the victory of the president-elect, Bola Tinubu. A member of Tinubu's legal team, Ägäīñst San, also said the hearing had been scheduled to commence next week. Ägäīñst, who spoke on Tuesday, said, yes, the hearing is on Monday, but it's for a pre-hearing session. The hearing is to clarify if there are any applications before the main hearing will start. The timetable will be set for the hearing of the substantive matters. Findings also showed that the court stopped receiving replies from the petitioners on April 23rd. The chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, Mahmood Yakubu, had on March 1st declared Tinubu the president-elect on the grounds that his party scored the majority of the vote cast in the polls. The former Lagos State governor had pulled 8.8 million to defeat Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party, who scored 6.9 million. Peter Obi of the Labour Party, who amassed 6.1 million, and 15 others. Dissatisfied with the results, Atiku and Obi filed separate petitions seeking orders to annul the election or declare them the winners of the polls. The PDP presidential candidates, who anchored his 7 prayers on 5 grounds, asked the Presidential Election Tribunal to declare him president-elect. Alternatively, Atiku urged the court to cancel the election and order a fresh election due to alleged irregularities that marred the February 25 polls in thousands of polling units. its team of senior lawyers led by Joe Kiyari Gatsama-san filed the petition at the Presidential Election Petition Court. In their 66-page petition, Atiku and his party argued that as of March 1, when Tinubu was declared the winner of the election, the entire results and accreditation data from polling units had not been transmitted and uploaded by INEC. Obi, who came third in the election, alleged that the election was characterized by various irregularities, including the non-qualification of Tinubu and his running mate Kashim Shettima to contest the election. He also alleged that Tinubu failed to win the majority of the lawful votes cast in the election, and just as he could not secure 1/4 of the lawful votes cast in the FCT. He equally alleged that the election was conducted in substantial non-compliance with the provision of the law. Petitions has been written to the Presidential Election Petition Court but now the court has given out their order and their time, fixing May 8th for the hearing of the petitions. Obi, who came third, and Atiku, who came second, has filed petitions equally with different opposition parties. In its petition marked CA-PEPC 04-2023, the Alliance People's Movement in the petition contended that the president-elect was not qualified to run for office. So, now that the tribunal has decided to hear the petitions, hope they will be able to conclude the petitions before the swearing in of Tinubu. We have come to the end of the news. What's your take? Please share your comment in the comment section. Thank you.